I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and let me show you how to find your phone using your watch. So if you've misplaced your phone and you want to find it, then you can simply swipe down to the quick panel and then look for the find icon, which is this one right here. So tap on it, and as soon as you tap on it, your phone will vibrate and make the loudest sound possible, so it makes it easier for you to find it. Now, of course, this works when your phone is within Bluetooth proximity, but if you have a mobile plan set up on your watch, if your country supports it, then you can do this even without a Bluetooth connection. You can actually have internet connection on your watch separately and on your phone separately, and you can use the find feature to actually find your missing phone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.